Correlative conjunctions, Part 1. Now let us learn about correlative conjunctions and their use in detail. By definition, conjunctions that are used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions. So paired conjunctions that link balanced words, phrases, and clauses are called correlative conjunctions. A. When two grammatical units are of equal importance, correlative conjunctions are used for connecting them. Either you eat the cake or let me have it. Here, you eat the cake and let me have it have the same importance. Hence, correlative conjunction or is used to connect both the parts of the sentence. Correlative conjunctions are classified into 9 categories. Either or, neither nor, both and, as many as, not only but also, whether or, hardly when, if then. In this module, we will learn about use of correlative conjunction either or in sentences. 1. Either or. Either John or George must have done this mischief. Here, either or is used in the sentence as correlative conjunction, as both John and George have the same importance in the sentence. Either John has done the mischief or George has done the mischief. B. As a birthday gift, you may either have a puppy or a parrot. Here, either or is used in the sentence as correlative conjunction, as both puppy and parrot have same importance in the sentence. The birthday gift might be either puppy or a parrot. Here, both have equal chances. Now let us learn about the use of correlative conjunctions, neither nor. 2. Neither nor. A. Tarun wanted neither the chocolate nor the apple pie. Here, neither nor is used in the sentence as correlative conjunction, as both chocolate and apple pie have the same importance in the sentence. Tarun does not want both chocolate and apple pie. B. Neither Peter nor Andrew has passed the test. Here, neither nor is used in the sentence as correlative conjunction, as both Peter and Andrew have same importance in the sentence. Both Peter and Andrew have failed in the test. Now let us understand about correlative conjunction, both and. 3. Both and. A. For seeking admission in a US university, you should sit for both GRE and TOEFL. Here, both and is used in the sentence as correlative conjunction, as both GRE and TOEFL have same importance in the sentence. One needs to clear both GRE and TOEFL for seeking admission in the US university. B. Both my uncle and my aunt have won medals at the Olympics. Here, both and is used in the sentence as correlative conjunction, as both uncle and aunt have same importance in the sentence. Both have won medals in the Olympics. Now let us learn about use of correlative conjunction as. 4. As. A. If you are as intelligent as your father, it will not be difficult for you to run your family business. Here, as is used as correlative conjunction, as boy's intelligence and father's is given same importance in the sentence. B. My understanding of relativity is as good as yours. Here, as is used as correlative conjunction. As boy's understanding of relativity and his friend's understanding have been given equal importance.